A merger-acquisition, often shortened to merger or acquisition, is a strategic business transaction where two companies combine their operations into a single entity. This can happen in several ways. Merger. In a merger, two companies of roughly equal size agree to combine their operations, assets, and liabilities to create a new, larger entity. This is often seen as a more collaborative approach. Acquisition. In an acquisition, one company, the acquirer or buyer, purchases another company, the target or seller. The target company may retain its name and identity, but it operates under the ownership and control of the acquiring company. These transactions can occur for various reasons. Growth. Companies may merge or acquire other firms to expand their market presence, increase their customer base, or enter new geographic regions. Synergy. Mergers and acquisitions can create synergies, where the combined entity is more valuable than the sum of its parts. This can lead to cost savings, increased efficiency, and improved competitiveness. Diversification. Companies may seek mergers or acquisitions to diversify their product offerings, reduce risk, or enter new industry sectors. Financial reasons. Mergers and acquisitions can be driven by financial motives, such as accessing new sources of capital, improving financial performance, or achieving economies of scale. These transactions are complex and often involve negotiations, due diligence, regulatory approvals, and integration efforts to successfully combine the operations of the merging or acquiring companies. Merger acquisitions can take various forms, each with its own characteristics and implications. Here are some common types. Horizontal merger. This type of merger involves companies that operate in the same industry and produce similar goods or services. The goal is often to achieve economies of scale, increase market share, or reduce competition. Vertical merger. In a vertical merger, companies at different stages of the supply chain come together. For example, a manufacturer might merge with a supplier or distributor. Vertical mergers can improve efficiency, control costs, and streamline operations. Conglomerate merger. Conglomerate mergers involve companies that are in unrelated industries. The goal is typically to diversify the business, spread risk, and capitalize on opportunities in different markets. Conglomerate mergers can also help companies access new technologies or expertise. Market extension merger. This type of merger involves companies that operate in the same industry but target different markets. For example, a company might merge with a competitor that serves a different geographic region. Market extension mergers can help companies expand their customer base and market reach. Product extension merger. In a product extension merger, companies in the same industry merge to offer a broader range of products or services. This allows them to cross-sell to existing customers, enter new market segments, and enhance competitiveness. Acquisition of assets. Sometimes, instead of acquiring an entire company, a merger acquisition involves purchasing specific assets or divisions of another company. This can be a strategic way to access key technologies, intellectual property, or market segments without taking on the entire business. Reverse merger. In a reverse merger, a private company acquires a public company. This allows the private company to go public without undergoing the traditional initial public offering (IPO) process. Reverse mergers can be faster and less expensive than IPOs but may have regulatory and financial implications. Each type of merger acquisition has unique benefits, challenges, and strategic considerations, depending on the companies involved, their goals, and the industry context.